Welcome to Patent Monetize Marketplace. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to list yourself as a buyer on patentmonetize.com. Section 1, Getting Started. Step 1, go to patentmonetize.com and click Login. Enter your email ID and password to access your account. Step 2, fill out the buyer registration form. Once submitted, you are officially listed as a buyer on the platform. Congratulations! You can now explore patents listed by sellers across various categories, and whenever new patents are added in the categories you selected, you'll automatically receive notifications. Section 2, How to make a deal as a buyer. To begin, explore the available patents on the website. Browse through all active listings or use filters to narrow your search based on domain or industry. Once you select a patent that interests you, you'll see detailed information about the invention and two options to proceed further. Option 1, Contact the seller. Click Contact Seller to directly initiate communication. You'll first be shown the terms and conditions. Read them carefully, then click Accept. You can now connect with the seller for more information or negotiation. Option 2, Make a deal. If you are ready to move forward, click Make a deal. The selected patent will be added to your cart. Afterwards, Patent Monetize will provide entire due diligence upon your request. Follow the final process to complete your purchase or move ahead with a licensing agreement. This step finalizes the deal between you and the seller. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you get started as a buyer on Patent Monetize. Visit patentmonetize.com today to explore innovative patents and make successful deals.